Total View One. Premium Network Intelligence.
As networks become more complex, it's necessary to have visibility into the various components of the network to ensure effective network management, security, and regulatory compliance.
People are surprised almost as soon as they plug our gear in at the amount of application activity there is that they did not know was actually on their network and it doesn't belong there.
TotalView One makes it easy. Just plug into a replicated port and log into the web portal. In the profiling section, see a comparison between the chosen date and the usage for the last 4 weeks. Drill down into the data, check traffic lights for flags on unusual behavior, and profile users for abnormal usage or trends. Know which internal and external IPs are using the bandwidth on your network. Drill into the PI sections, see which applications were being used, and audit for forensic detail. Audit server connections at the click of a mouse. See which users were connecting to regulated resources, how much data were involved, and when the connections were being made.
Benefits of network intelligence are that it allows us to see what's happening inside of our own network. We have an independent, auditable way of looking at the systems and processes that are running on our network and who's using them.
View latency and jitter by application and by time. Use the information to identify performance issues on the network. See the top websites visited by your employees. See the top web users, and see when the visits were being made. Many network visibility solutions use NetFlow, a protocol that collects data from each connection, handing it to the NetFlow exporter, then waiting for the exporter to pass it back before completing the trip. While this accomplishes the job, the approach puts considerable stress on the router and impacts performance of your network. You can minimize the stress by sampling the data, but this reduces data integrity and still doesn't eliminate the performance impact. By contrast, TotalView One simply sits attached to the router or switch and records data from each connection as it passes through, eliminating the performance impact to the network and ensuring TotalView One can collect information from every connection and store it for analysis.
The peace of mind of network intelligence, of having the knowledge of the different constituent parts that make up your network, the different protocols that are going over, the different users that are on it, knowing that that's all being monitored in a way that's going to give you excellent reporting, be able to take that report, give it to your management, let them have the peace of mind knowing that you can prove what you say you are doing.
You need to ensure your network is secure. To do that, you need to have visibility into users, applications, and connections. Do you know what's running on your network?